Most people get this wrong. They think Easy Advance is just a typical payday advance app, but the surprising truth in 2026 is that it combines early wage access installment payment options and spending management features in one platform. When used wisely, it can help cover urgent expenses and avoid high-interest loans. Here's how Easy Advance works. You can access a portion of your earned wages before payday, often within hours. Eligible purchases can be split into smaller installments over a few weeks. Instead of interest, the app charges a flat, predictable fee per advance or transaction. Extra features include repayment reminders, spending alerts, and optional dashboards to help you monitor your cash flow and plan ahead. The downside? Overuse can get costly. Frequent advances or missed payments may quickly add up, and relying too much on Easy Advance could create financial stress instead of relief. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only withdraw what you can repay on time. 2. Use automatic reminders to avoid fees. 3. Keep a small emergency fund to reduce reliance on advances. Who should use Easy Advance? People with stable income who occasionally need short-term cash for help managing larger purchases. If your income is inconsistent or repayment discipline is weak, Easy Advance may end up costing more than it saves. In conclusion, Easy Advance in 2026 is a convenient financial tool, but only when used responsibly. Treat it as a temporary aid, track your fees, and stick to repayment schedules. Subscribe for more practical financial reviews and money management tips.